everybody. I'm very excited to be here to introduce Pro-Vizi and also to represent their mentor team within the GIA. When I first met Anna and George, it was quickly evident of their strong technical background that they were going to be bringing a solution that was going to help all the carriers and brokers and, dare I say, everyone in this room with helping us grow our business. Speaking of technical background, I guarantee everyone in this room this morning has used multi-factor authentication. I know I've done it at least twice this morning, and we can thank George for that. He actually invented that for us. So anyway, I'm gonna get out of the way and let George come out here to tell you how Pro-Vizi is gonna help us all be able to work together better and also to have more faith in our data so we can grow our business. So, George, take it away.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rip. Good morning, everybody. I'm very excited to introduce Pro-Vizi, an automated API generation tool hosted in the cloud. Now that was text speak and gobbledygook, yes? To put it in easy speak, what we do is we take data from a source and translate it for what a receiver needs in real time. That's what we do. By doing this, we solve the real-time connectivity problem that's driving costs and margins in the insurtech industry and beyond. So if you look at the screen in the middle, you'll see Pro-Vizi. It's not another dashboard. It's not another point solution. It's a solution that actually translates data. It sits in the middle, and brokers, carriers, customers, and data. And it translates data and pushes it to each other in real time. So for a broker, what does it mean? One push, Pro-Vizi takes it over, decodes it, restructures it for all the different carriers it has to talk to, and any supporting infrastructure, and it's done in real time. So carriers, why do you care? You're getting valid data, structured, and trusted. You know it's coming from a trusted source. And customers, it enables a one-call close and a one-click buy. Now, this is not something that's sitting in the brain and hasn't been proven. It's proven. It's secure, with over 500,000 transactions done. I'm George Congaleth, and I have my wonderful experienced management team with over 20+ years experience. Each one has more than 20+ experience. Our experience is in real-time solutions, big data, and AI. Now, with every patent and every solution, I get grayer and rounder. I'd like to introduce you to Gavin. He was our first client, TPA and broker. He called us the other day and said, holy bleep, you know, our portfolio tripled in the last quarter. Tripled, and it's only April. So what Pro-Vizi has done for his business is made it so efficient, he only has one administrator running the show with over 40% margin. His success has been so phenomenal in the industry that other brokers and carriers are coming to him and saying, migrate my book. So for Gavin, Pro-Vizi was a business transformation. Here's Pro-Vizi in action. It sits in the middle, onboards customers, files claims, synchronizes data, and anything else that requires management of data. It has changed the way data is handled in the network. For everyone who's participating, it's a win. For the broker, a quick close. For the carrier, lower operating cost. And for the customer, confidence from the get-go. Now, we have got 12 carriers, libraries, sitting in the cloud today, and more coming. So look at it in June, we've got a big announcement coming. So a big one in the States, but it's coming. And what we have done is we've taken onboarding process and processes that take weeks and brought it down to under a minute for the industry. So we're going to say it's robotic process. I agree, everybody's been working in robotic processes. So what differentiates our offering? We work at the transport layer, which is stable and fast. Contrast it to UI solutions, where screens are dynamic, and you're always trying to do maintenance work to keep current. It feels like a hamster on a treadmill, right? So Pro-Vizi, it's fast and it's stable. So what I have to say is this: Pro-Vizi is a category shift. So what we ask is plain and simple. If you're a broker and wish to emulate Gavin's success, please, let's talk. If you're a carrier looking to lower your operating cost, and moreover, unshackled all the legacy systems that have limited access to data, let's talk. If you're an investor and you're able to visualize my gobbledygook of auto-generated APIs in the cloud, this will become the most sought-for service in the industry. After Amazon's cloud servers, this will be the biggest need. Then we should definitely talk. We make it happen. So I'd like to say, thank you, GIA. Thank you, mentors. A big shout out to Rob and David. We're able to keep up with my non-linear thinking. A big shout out to my co-founder, Anna, who hasn't killed me yet. And we'd love to talk to you. Thank you, GIS.